I was sent this folding cart so we could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. And this is everything in the box. Pretty straightforward, looks very easy. You got these two pieces here, they're quite large. You've got 4 wheels, 2 of them swivel and have locks on them, and then the other 2, they don't swivel, they're meant to stay stationary. Of course, the wheels turn, but I meant they don't spin around. And then you have the fold-up cart itself. It does come with a manual that tells you what you need to do to get this going, but I mean, there's not a whole lot to it, so let me get through the manual, make sure I put it together right, and let's unfold it and see what it looks like. So here this thing is all put together, and I gotta say, really cool cart. You can come over here, you can unsnap these things here. It makes it into a seat, like a little sofa for a couple people. Maybe not 2 huge adults, but 2, you know, smaller, medium-sized adults. You've got handle on this side and some pockets there that you can put stuff in. Again, really nice wide wheels. Easily pulls across grass, sand, anything like that. It's got a padded back and a padded bottom. It does fold up, so you just take those pieces out and you just push it back together to make it fold. The front wheels do rotate 360 degrees, and they have locks on them, so you can lock those down. This handle comes forward to let you move it. It's got a handle on this side and a couple pockets here too. And this handle can also just snap, and then you press these 2 buttons here, which lets you push the whole handle down. Push that down, now it's out of the way. I think this is a really cool cart. I think it'd work great on the beach, or even pulling it around at the property. You know, it works good on the ground with the big tires. And then you have a place to sit. You unload it, you got a chair. I like it, I think you'll like it, and I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.